Mathematics in nature. Application of mathematical equations are around us in nature. Let's view some of such examples. So, Fibonacci sequence stands for 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. It goes on until infinity, and the formula is a number will be equal to the summation of its preceding two numbers. For example, if you take 5, 5 would be equal to its preceding two numbers, meaning 3 plus 2. So, this is how the sequence goes on. 0 and 1 are default values. Here, you see Fibonacci sequence in sunflower seeds design. You see how the seeds are spread according to that formula. The same sequence is in snail shell design. You see how the shell is designed. Another one is golden ratio. It's a mathematical constant that equals to 1.618 approximately. Here, if you divide it into multiple parts and divide the larger one by the smaller part, you will always end up getting the phi value that is equal to golden ratio. This special sign is a Greek letter called phi. So if you analyze, you will end up having the same value 1.61 after dividing. So jump of dolphin follows the quadratic or parabola equation y is equal to minus x square plus k. Here is the example. The way that a dolphin jumps amazingly matches this equation, and a dolphin jumps exactly according to this equation. Circular shapes follow the circle equation, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This is the formula that circles anywhere on earth are designed according to. So here you can see all the circles designed are according to this law or mathematical formula. Numerous examples are available around us. Take a minute to think and analyze. The Creator has precisely, accurately, and mathematically created the nature. Thanks for watching.